What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have got an amazing video for you. First, we've got to hop in this elevator, go all the way to the top of this parking garage, and then we're going to be talking about the 5 things that I love about my R8. Let's go. Finally. All right, so here we have my beautiful C8 Corvette, and we've got the R8 twin turboed, and we're gonna be talking about the 5 things that I love about my R8. Now, since we're up here and we got the cars, we're gonna talk about the 5 things I love about my R8 in this video. Then we're gonna talk about the 5 things I hate about my R8 in the next video. And then in the next video, we're gonna talk about the 5 things I love about my C8. And then the next video, we're gonna talk about the 5 things I hate about my C8. Thing number 1 that I love about my R8 is the color and the styling. So I bought this car because I actually saw this car posted for sale on the Sheepey Race website. And when I saw it, it was like, oh, this is the one. So I just love the way that it looks, the way the car sits. I love the stance, and my car is basically stock. It just has some lowering springs, but I also just love the color and all of the black and carbon fiber accents. Number 2, a mid-engine V10 platform, especially in this car. So the 5.2 liter V10, it's like a bulletproof engine. So the fact that this is right behind your head in the car is one of the most amazing sounds that you will ever hear in a driving experience, and I absolutely love it. Number 3, follow me. 2, up in here, we have got 2 turbos. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. This car is a twin turbo R8. It has been tuned by Alex Soto over at Sheepey Race, and this car puts down 755.2 horsepower on the Sheepey Race dyno. And this is actually one of my favorite things that I love the most about the R8 is the fact that it is twin turbo, because when you step on that gas and you hear those turbo spooling, especially right behind your head, the sound is so intoxicating. I absolutely love it. Let's give it a listen. Numero 4. I love all of the carbon fiber on this car. We got carbon fiber side blades, we got carbon fiber mirrors, we've got carbon fiber piece thingy right here. We also got the nice carbon fiber wing. This is the OEM wing that comes stock on all of the V10 Pluses. It's one of my favorite features on this car. We also got a carbon fiber diffuser, which I absolutely love. And then all the carbon fiber trim around the engine bay. This is a $5,000 upgrade. Can you believe it, guys? $5,000 just to put carbon fiber around your engine. But I guess it's worth it because it looks so good. The 5th thing that I love about my R8 has to do with the interior. For being a 2-seater exotic sports car, there's actually a lot of room in here, surprisingly. Like, the dash is put really far forward, the seats are far enough back to where you feel like really open and spacious in here. And I got like a ledge back here where I could put like all my groceries. Sometimes I line it up all right here with all my groceries. So I would have to say, like, the spacious interior would be the 5th thing that I love about my car. Bonus feature, I really like that the start-stop button is on the steering wheel, because it is like such a vibe to sit there and start up the car by using the button on the steering wheel. I absolutely love that. Vibin'. And there you have it. Those are the 5 plus 1 bonus feature that I absolutely love about my twin turbo R8. So if you are in the market to buy an R8, or if you're in the market to get twin turbos thrown on your R8, I hope this video shed some insight on the cool features that the R8 has. But that's it, we are done. This video has come to an end because I got nothing else left to say. So I hope you guys enjoyed this installment of the 30 videos in 30 days. We've got a lot more content coming, so please be sure to stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, all that good stuff. Leave a comment, tell me your favorite feature about this car. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.